In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add clickable link to a Canva document. First of all, go to canva.com and create a design. Then add a element that you want to insert a link. Here is my design. I will insert link in this Learn More button. Select the text first and in the top toolbar, click on the link icon. Then paste your link here. Then click on done. Link added. Now under text, here is underline. If you want to remove this underline, click on the text and then in the top toolbar, here is underline. Click on that. The underline is removed. Now to download this document with clickable link, in the top right corner, click on share. Then click on download. I will choose PDF standard because JPG and PNG format doesn't work clickable link. That's why we have to choose PDF standard. Then click on download. Open the PDF file in your browser. Now if you click on this, it will redirect to this website. That's how we can create clickable link. If this video is help you out, please subscribe our channel for more Canva tutorial.